How to install Startup Show on Firestick. Now, Firestick has actually a built-in Amazon App Store where you can actually download third-party applications like streaming apps or any streaming platforms out there as long as it's available on the built-in Amazon App Store. So what you want to do is just simply head out to your App Store directly from your Fire TV stick and then just simply locate Startup Show. So, Startup Show is actually not included on the built-in pack in your Amazon Fire Stick. So that's the reason why you have to download it separately from the Amazon App Store. Simply download it from there, and then it will automatically install by itself, and then start streaming on your favorite programs or series that you can watch inside this application right here. And that is how you install Startup Show on Fire Stick.